1 minute.
On my phone. Police van?
Where police? I undercover them?
Yes.
Guys, what's going on? This is Friday evening or night, whatever you want to call it. Because today I didn't do anything. I just chill. Because the body was bodying. I was so tired. Anyway, I got some crabs from my friend. It's in the pot and I'll show you. Because it's so hard to get crab now, you know. Because there's no rain. As you can see, I'm sweating like a pig. But the crab is on the fire. I can't wait. Maxine, guess what? You're not getting none. Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Look at this, guys. I finally got my hands on 4 crabs. And I'm eating 2 tonight. And the rest I'm gonna devour it tomorrow. I'll tell you how it goes. Morning guys, what's up? It's another day and it's a sunny day, as you can see in my background. Now today is Saturday, 1st of August. First and most, it's Emancipation Day in Jamaica, and emancipate yourself from mental slavery. So today is a public holiday, and we call it bank holiday or public holiday. It's the same. Now, as you can see, I'm in the process of getting ready because I'm going to the funeral. The funeral is 12 o'clock, so it's a 12 o'clock funeral today, and it's about 11 at the moment. So I'm getting ready to go and represent, and the theme of the funeral is green and white. So I've got two choices. I've got a white dress with a green bag, or a green dress and with a white bag. But when I get ready, I'll show you, because I haven't made up my mind yet. I'm just applying just a little bit of makeup because it is so hot and I know I'm gonna be sweating. I need to bring a bottle of water as well. So let me go and get ready. The next time you see me, I might show you what I'm wearing, or I might be at the funeral, but let's see. And oh, what I had for breakfast, I had my lovely crabs. I started last night because I got 4 from a guy called Peter. Big up yourself, Peter. You know, straight. Because if it wasn't for you, Peter, I wouldn't get any. And you know, because crab run the other day, and it's not raining now, so no crabs running. But you know, Peter sought me out because he had someone frozen. Anyway, let me go. I think I can hear the hearse going up, I think. So let me show you. Let me get ready to go to the funeral. Is it the hearse? I can hear music, and I'm sure you can hear too. So let's have a look. So let me go and get ready, and I'll see you. See, I live on the roadside, so I can see and I can hear everything that's passing and everything that's going on. It's a treat. It could be good and it can be bad. I don't know what you think. Anyway, let me go get myself sorted.
I know me, I pasta.
I said, I said, why are you ready so early? I had pasta.
No, if I was coming, I would be early. If you hope the sun gets. Normally they always put one scanning code on it, you know, it look like none of the bandits.
Put on weight or something like that. So your foot go up? No, you're not just
Are you late? No, they be an imbatter. I don't need to be in.
Go check it out.
I think the people should go check it. You know, after.
I know.
Sometimes that's lower than something.
Yeah, it's sad,
Let's
isn't it?
look like a marathon. So marathon was on vibes. Enough in our me and in there, you know?
I know.
Yeah, enough in our marathon there is.
Now look there. I know. Look how much people there and they're not sing.
Police one.
Who are police? I undercover them? Huh?
Yes. Them see, they think people don't know.
Normally they always put one scanning code on it, you know, it look like normally on this.